Hello and welcome to our nature study class once again. We learned the different types of parts of a plant like stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Now see this plant. This is a small plant and the name of the plant is neem. This is its stem and this is its branch. And see, these are its green leaves. Now I will pluck this small plant with my fingertip with a small effort. See, I am plucking from the soil. Now watch very carefully. This was under the ground. The part of the plant was under the ground and this is called root. This is called root. See, it was under the ground and I have plucked it. Now this is another plant. See, this is tulsi plant. Children, what is this? You know, this is its stem. And what is this? Yes, you are right, branch. And these are green leaves. Now come to its another important part which grows under the ground. What is this? This is root. This is root which grows under the ground. We can't see the root as it remains under the ground or it grows under the ground. When we pluck any plant from the soil, we can see the root. See carefully, this part grows above the ground and this part grows under the ground, above the ground and under the ground. Now we will draw a picture of plant in our English copy. Write down CW and today's date 24/8/21. Now see, I am drawing a sleeping line. Then we will draw the part of the plant above the ground. On the top, you will draw a bud. Then draw some leaves. Now here I am drawing a flower. Then in the another side, draw a small branch and some leaves. After that, draw a small branch in the opposite side of the previous branch and draw a small fruit. Now above the ground part is done. Then we will draw roots under the ground. Now we will write the beginning sound of the words. This is bud. Bud. This is flower. Flower. This is leaf. Leaf. This is branch. This is fruit. And last of all, this is root. Here our drawing is done. At the bottom of this drawing, you will write P L A N T, plant. This is a picture of plant. So draw another plant in your English copy and do color that.